What's up, everybody? We're back here on episode 4 on the EP3. So I'm just going to show you a couple of little updates of what I've done. Haven't had much time, as you can see behind me. Whole lot of work on other customers' cars, so we can't really do much over here. But I'm going to show you a couple of little things I've done. So far, right here in front of me, my trailing arms dudes. I don't know, you can't really see them much. 1 second. Sorry for the light, it's a bit of a crap. Let me try and open this door up. Let's take one out and have a quick look at it. See, you can see the bad boy. All nice and shiny with the hard race trail arm bushing right there. Alright. And over here on this side, this subframe, so you can see how super shiny it is. So that's much of the paintwork we've done. So we out pressed the old bushing on the trailing arm, put the hard race one in, and we've done a little paintwork on the body itself. As you can see, light's not the best here. Let me try and get a torch out for you guys. As you can see, the full inner fenders right there have been resprayed. So as the front over here, my painter's a bear hooked it up real good. You can just see how nicely it looks. It's done on both sides. And right here, finally on the back, it is looking mighty good. Yeah, so currently that's the update. Other than that, haven't done really much on the car. Don't have the time. Do not have the time here. Time is running short due to work. They've got to get these all sorted out, paint them, clean them. All the rear calipers as well, clean them up. Still a lot more work to go with, so I mean, that's the only update I have so far. So far, just let you guys know what's going on. So yeah. Hey guys, before the movie actually gets over with, actually I forgot to show you a couple of things. On the top left corner here, you're gonna pretty much see a couple of updates on the interior that I've done. Actually, I've got a couple of help from some friends who helped me out. I had one of my guys named Simon. He actually helped me out with the upholstery on my bucket seat, and as well on my door panels, which you will see up here shortly. And also I have to give a big shout out to my friend Ahmed Fayaz from Special Car Trading. Below I'll post a link. He actually did our floor mats, which you can see here yet above, matching my valve cover. All right, so all these details for if you want to get interior done, from floor mats to seats to roof linings, everything, this guy Ahmed Fayaz is the specialist here. Their business has been running for approximately 15 to 20 years. So I'll post the link below to tell you, to show you the Instagram page and also their contact numbers. So if you want to get some good interior done, please check out on them. And just behind, or just in front of me here, I'm going to show you what else we're getting done as well. Just have a look at this. So we got here the dentguys.ae hooking us up with removing the dents off the EP3. One of the finest dent removers I know in town. We use them all the time here at our shop. So pretty much this guy's little golf club set here of tools. Get all those dents nice and smoothed up. So yeah, I will add this link below as well. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it for that for today. So again, I hope you do like the video. Please do like it and subscribe. Stay tuned. Thanks.